Hey guys, this is the 2013 KINK launch. The crimson, or not the crimson, the dusk and purple. So it's the launch, and got it from Dance Comp. I've had it for about 3 weeks now. And it's a really nice bike. I mean, this is a really nice bike. It's holds up strong. It's light. And the brakes are even nice. I was expecting the brakes to be horrible, but they're nice too. And this is a really good bike for me. I'm an intermediate rider, having a new YouTube channel, and the seat's nice. Mission's one of the main part, or it's like pretty much what this bike is. Besides the frame and not even the cranks. Besides the frame and the forks and the handlebars, it's all Mission parts. But the handlebars are really nice. They're KINK Midtowns. I think they're in 8-inch rise. Yeah, they're an 8-inch rise. Nice fit. And besides that, I mean, this is just a nice bike. Mission rims, they are just pretty. But the brake has been rubbing off on them, and you can see that compared to that. So, I think I put one side on too tight, but besides that, it's a really nice bike. Yeah. So I recommend this bike to intermediate riders. I ride it. Rides nice. Saw it better than that. But, yeah. Well, that's me signing off.